In this video, I'll show you how to delete experience on LinkedIn. If you want to remove an old job, internship, freelance role, or any other position from your LinkedIn profile, you can do it directly from the Experience section. LinkedIn's Help Center says you can edit or delete positions from your profile on both desktop and mobile. And the delete option is available inside the editing screen for each specific experience entry. Let's start on desktop. Sign in to LinkedIn. Click the Me icon at the top and then select View Profile. Scroll down until you reach the Experience section. If needed, click Show All Experiences so you can see the full list. Then click the Edit icon next to the position you want to remove. LinkedIn says that once that editing window opens, you can click Delete Experience and then confirm by clicking Delete again. If you are using the LinkedIn mobile app, the process is very similar. Tap your profile photo, then tap your profile photo again to open your full profile. Scroll to the Experience section and tap the Edit icon for that section. After that, tap the Edit icon again next to the specific position you want to delete. LinkedIn says you can then tap Delete Experience and confirm the deletion. One important thing to remember is that deleting an experience entry removes it from your profile completely. So take a moment to make sure you really want it gone. Sometimes editing the entry is a better option than deleting it, especially if the role is still useful but just needs more accurate dates, a better title, or a cleaner description. LinkedIn's profile editing guidance supports both editing and deleting positions from the same area. There is also a visibility detail to keep in mind. LinkedIn says that if the Notify Network option is enabled, your network may be informed of profile changes. So before saving or deleting profile updates, it may be worth checking whether you want those changes shared with your connections. A good habit is to review your Experience section from time to time and keep only the roles that still support your current professional goals. That can make your profile look cleaner and more focused, especially if you are applying for a new role or changing industries. This is a recommendation based on LinkedIn's experience management tools rather than a direct platform rule. That's how to delete experience on LinkedIn. Open your profile. Go to the Experience section, edit the role you want to remove, and use the delete option to take it off your profile. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.